Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Once upon a time, a princess named Snow White lived in a castle with her father the king, and her stepmother the queen. Her father always reminded his daughter that above all else, a royal family must be fair. Said he, people over all the land come here to the castle with disputes. They need their ruler to hear each side and make a decision that's fair. The queen, Snow White's stepmother, knew how important being fair was to her husband. She asked her magic mirror, "Mirror, mirror, on the wall, who is the fairest of them all?" "Snow White is the fairest of them all," said the magic mirror. "What?" shouted the queen in surprise. "No one is more fair than I. The queen must be the best at everything. What's more fair than that?" "Snow White is the fairest of them all," asserted the magic mirror again. The queen shook her fists. "What do you know? You are a mirror," and she stormed off. Still, the queen was bothered. So bothered that the queen decided to be rid of the girl once and for all. "I cannot wait another day," she decided. The queen called for her servant, a huntsman. "Find a reason to take Snow White deep into the woods tomorrow," she said, pointing her long fingernail at the servant, "and kill her." The huntsman was shocked, but she was the queen. What could he do? The next day, he took Snow White into the woods. As he drew his knife to slay her, Snow White turned around. "Look," she said, taking something out of her pocket. She held, in front of him, 6 perfect animal shapes carved of wood. "Do you like them?" she said. "I made them for you." "Snow White," said the huntsman, "I cannot do this." "Of course, you must accept these. They are a gift," said Snow White. "That's not what I meant," said the servant. "How can I say this? The queen, your stepmother, ordered me to kill you." The huntsman dropped to his knees. "But I cannot." "She what?" Snow White called out with alarm. "You must run away," said the huntsman, "far away, now, and never come back to the castle." Snow White turned and ran into the woods as fast as she could. For more videos, subscribe and like my channel.